I'm just a kid, 12 years old, and I shouldn't be worrying about adults' problems, but kids all over the world have to pay for mistakes we didn't even make. This is our future. We're the next elders, we're the next leaders. This is our future. I cry watching videos of Standing Rock and knowing that we shouldn't have to fight for our water. We should just be able to have clean drinking water. We were only given one planet, and we're destroying it. It's not just in North America where we need clean drinking water. It's all over the world. I want to know that my great-grandchildren and my children are able to have clean drinking water, and they won't have to worry about having clean water. They should just have it. I want us to stand together, and we're going to shut down all the highways in North America for a whole hour on December 5th. I'm inviting everyone to join us. Bring your shakers, bring your drums, bring your vessels, bring your feathers. We'll pray together.